See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
duka cikin lami lafiya ko insha Allah ga mu dai insha Allah mutun ne ne insha Allah za a bashe ku takan sulhu a zama lafiya sai ku koma lafiya an yi bai anshe ku jirgi na wato abu da kun sai aka insha Allah kun dai gwamnati ta kasa an ku ko
Congratulations to me, Nigerians. I'm not a bandit. Congratulations to me. 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 Oh, now bandit na be. Now only for Nigeria, bandit go kidnap school children. Government not fit do anything. The same bandit they call tire. They call release them by choice. Which means these children they under the mercy of these bandits. They can do to them anything where they like at any time. Because the government they are not responsible for their life. Now Nigeria don't stay happen. And for that reason, I don't take them upon myself. Since bandits are the most powerful people in Nigeria, I don't sacrifice myself to become a bandit in Nigeria. Men one person can arrest me first. And my job now they do. I'm not a bandit. May nobody arrest me. Oh, now bandit now I be. May nobody arrest me. Oh, now bandit now I be. Kai, Osei nama. Osei nama. Tinubu, thank you. Thank you. I don't start my bandit journey. Thank you for the empowerment. I don't buy 2 goats. I don't pass from where human be they stay now. Inside bush now they stay now. Any moment from now, go the TV people go to join this one to start my bandit journey. Thank you for your empowerment in Nigeria. Hey! Hey! Who are they? Who are you? I'm a bandit. You're a bandit in this land? You came out. They thought you bandit. Kai, Ubanka. Hey man, who are you? I'm a bandit. You're not a bandit. I'm a bandit. You're not a bandit. I'm a bandit. You're not a bandit. I'm a bandit. See, you they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. Who are you? See, if you don't know me, now me be the original bandit where they control this land. And I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes, my lamb. If you don't live here, I'll give it to you. See, I'm going to use it to practice wickedness, oh. I'm going to use it to learn how to shoot gun, oh. This one has, you they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. See, if you call yourself better bandit, cross this line, then I go use to learn how to shoot gun. Okay, Damburu Banka. I don't cross that Damburu Banka. What are you going to do, Damburu Banka? Jesus, like this guy. What are you going to do, Damburu Banka? Let's get a better bandit, too. See, if you don't say you're better bandit, prove yourself. You want me to prove myself? Prove yourself. Hey, malam, mujhe. You have seen it, right? Let's see Damburu Banka. See, let's see Damburu Banka. Today you go. Your father, hey, nonsense. Drop me now. You are a silly boy. Drop me now. I'm a learned bandit. I know my right. I know my. To your right. You bush bandit. Hey, that's Damburu Banka. Idiot. Oh, Damburu Banka. I don't carry my goat. Someone help me. I don't want to help me, Nigeria. But don't carry my goat. You see the problem of Nigeria. You go inside bush, your body go pursue you. You go inside town, human being go pursue you. Bush not safe, town not safe. If you still go meet government go deny you. You know understand? And the problem of Nigeria be that.